Is it tough?
I mean,
Are you a morning person generally?
not really. Now I have to be a morning
You're
person.
becoming one.
I'm becoming one, and it's not as hard as one would imagine. You know, so what you know, how fear just clouds your brain. So once you are in it and you get out of your comfort zone, you realize that it's all a fragment of your imagination. And
I think it's also about priorities ना कि अगर socializing एक priority है जिंदगी में तो then you're like okay I need to stay up till late but जब आपकी priority आपकी mental health आपकी family आपका काम and I think you're there in life right now so सब कर लिया
ना
हाँ.
तो अब ये करना है.
ये करना
And I also like to reinvent myself, Aisha, every now and then.
and how you do it oh my god you're the queen of that
Oh no, there are so many out there. You know, so many of our friends.
yeah
But yeah, I feel as an artist, I always get bored soon. It's, you know, if there's monotonous every time, then it's just not inspirational enough. I need to be inspired every day. Creatively and work-wise, and you know, give something out, something new every day to the world, to my people, to myself.
That reminds me, lockdown के दौरान जो आपकी रोज की crafty, artsy Insta lives होती थी, every day sometimes.
No, every day for 4 months of lockdown.
You went live every day.
Every day.
क्योंकि मैंने every alternate day तो मैं देखती थी. And everybody was watching.
Yes.
Oh my God, Sarvat, that was amazing, yaar.
Yeah.
How was it for you?
You know, as an artist, you would know, na?
Yeah.
That we've done 20 years of acting.
Yeah.
And going back to your art, there's no better feeling than that. So I loved it. I felt like I am back into my own, you know, zone. I'm the artist. I'm doing something creative. It was always, it had to be done very professionally. So I would make the entire project a night before.
Why did it have to be done professionally? Is it अंदर से एक perfection वाली चीज थी या you wanted कि वो लगे कि जैसे बहुत professional?
You know, I'll tell you. So when you're explaining or when you're introducing a new subject to the kids, you have to show them an end product to make them curious. So one has to provoke their curiosity.
तो वो पहले से करना होता.
तो वो पहले से रात को करना होता था और वो भी रात को after putting the kids back like to sleep.
Wow.
So I would sit down and I would, you know, Fahad and I would do our dinner and then I would get on to making my art. And one day towards the end, I remember I woke up and in the middle of the night and I said, Fahad, I have nothing to create. I've done it all. Tissue ka dabba, jharu ka tinka, dhaga,
छत पे चीजें बन गई,
pots, like everything. So he goes, you know, just ask for inspiration and go to sleep and don't fret. And literally, सुबह के 6 बज रहे होंगे, मेरी आँख खुली और मेरे दिमाग में आता है तकिए के गिलाफ से जानमाज बनाते हैं.
Oh my God, that was the most popular.
No, I'll tell you, there was a series. So फ्रिज का कार्टन आया हुआ था एक हमारे घर में. वो फ्रिज का कार्टन बहुत अरसे से ऊपर रखा. Now I don't throw away cartons because I use it and you know. तो वो कार्टन को मैंने कट आउट करके मस्जिद बनाई.
I remember this.
That masjid went viral.
I think I was also commenting on it. Oh my God, it was beautiful.
Because during the lockdown, all the masjids were closed. So people got a small masjid in their house.
Their home.
So that was
and
lovely.
your kids loved it.
My kids loved it. One is a verse from art and one loves it. So as long as one of them found love in art, I think I'm good.
हाँ, तो वो भी engage हो रहे थे और सब engage हो रहे थे.
You know, people would meet me randomly and say, मैं अपनी टीचर्स से कहती हूँ, कोई स्कूल की प्रिंसिपल मिली मुझे, वो कह रही मैं अपनी आर्ट टीचर्स को तुम्हारी वीडियोस दिखाती हूँ. फिर एक बुजुर्ग मुझे कपल मिला, उन्होंने कहा हमारे बच्चे नहीं हैं और उनके भी बच्चे नहीं हैं, तो वो सब बाहर रहते हैं, तो हम आपकी वीडियोस देखते हैं, फिर भी देखते हैं और हमें बहुत मजा आता है. फिर O level A level के बच्चे, like Amna, Akil's daughter, she calls me one day and she's like, Sarvat auntie, can you tell us, we missed that video. I'm like, you guys are grown-ups.
Sarbat, I was watching it every day, yaar.
Yeah.
कितना sense of purpose था with that
बहुत था.
at that time.
And you know, every day at 5 o'clock I would go on air, and 1 hour, and then I would ask all the parents or all the kids who were doing that art to tag me with the art of the day. So I would get tags. Aisha वो dots बन जाते थे. इतने लोग. So from Australia, Perth to like Lucknow to Sargodha to Sialkot, like we were all making art.
I know, wow.
It was amazing.
और उसके बाद you also opened an arts and crafts school.
Yes.
How's that going?
So you know, Aisha, under those videos, I would get parents commenting, like mothers primarily commenting, आपने अपने बच्चे को कैमरा शुरू होने से पहले डांटा है या उसके बाद डांटा है, उसने क्रेयॉन तोड़ दिया, आपने उसको कैसे नहीं डांटा?
ये एक दो चीजें हुई थी.
Yeah, I felt that, oh my God, हमें बच्चों से बात करने का तरीका नहीं आता. हम हमेशा कहते हैं कि बड़ों से बात करने की तमीज होनी चाहिए, but actually बड़ों को भी बच्चों से बात करने का तरीका आना चाहिए. So Art House came about on the similar lines.
Wow.
That we had to talk about conscious parenting, and let's talk about body boundaries with kids. Conscious parenting also has a lot of parents who fear or who do not feel comfortable talking about body boundaries to their kids. There's a sign. If somebody's kidnapping you, this is a sign. Yes.
Wow.
So we had arts and crafts.
I don't know this.
Yes. So you see, that's the thing.
Oh.
Till we don't talk about it, how will our kids know? How will the parents know? So it's very important to be a responsible parent, not just a parent, a conscious parent.
So you went in that direction.
I went into that direction. I had fabulous time sitting around with kids and the parents.
And the और अगर आपके बच्चों को समझ आ रही है तो आएगी बच्चों को समझ. It's not too much for them.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we had arts and crafts. Then we had yoga and mindfulness.
Had का क्या मतलब है?
So Aisha, art
Why you
school
saying had?
had it's shut.
Why?
We didn't get, so it was a charity-based school. I was running
Donations.
I was running it primarily single-handedly, and I wasn't doing any plays.
It was too much.
It was too much. Then I got pregnant with Allah.
Yes. We have to come to that.
Yes.
After this.
So, you know, it was a bit too much for me. So whenever I would get a job, all that money was going in the school. I mean, obviously Fahad didn't mind. He was very supportive, and I was very lucky like that. But then it got to a point where I had just run out of money.
You see, वो एक दरवाजा आपने खोल दिया.
हाँ.
And you can always go back to it. So you did the best you could.
Yes.
And it gave you a lot of satisfaction and
Yes.
gratification. And then it was time to move on
Yes.
and start this morning show,
Morning show.
which is another avenue. Is it the
Yes.
first time that you are hosting a live show?
Yes. So I did a replacement for Sanam Jung when she was doing
Hum
TV morning show while she was busy expecting. But that was it. This is very political, economics, health, education. Everything. It's very serious. One cannot just, say any random thing. One has to be very responsible.
Is it
very
stressful?
careful. So my first 2 months were stressful because one, I couldn't read the teleprompter. I hadn't read Urdu script in so long. So for me to familiarize, and उसकी एक vocabulary है proper.
होती है, आप कोई गलत word नहीं बोल सकते, पर आप you have to look stupid.
Yes.
Sorry, I'm using that word, but हमें खुद feel होता है.
Yes, you look like a fool.
Yeah.
So one is speaking in the ear. I am taking an interview. I have somebody asking me a question. So yeah, it's like
It's a
whole.
lot.
It's a lot.
So जब live गए पहले दिन, उससे पहले I'm sure को practice
Of course.
shows हुए होंगे and everything. जब वो when you started doing that, were you like okay, I really need to sort my mind out, or it started coming naturally?
So, to know the political satire of your country, one has to constantly follow news. And as a person, I'm a very malang and, like very arty and just like good vibes only.
कोई stress नहीं
कोई
सुनना,
stress नहीं
कुछ नहीं।
सुनना, कुछ बुरी news नहीं सुननी. So now I had to dive into it.
Wow. So, what is your daily practice to stabilize yourself? या अपने आप को कुछ zen देना है? I know that you meditate. I know that. I know you're a very calm person. जो आपकी default setting है वो बहुत calm है. तो क्या? What do you do every day to stabilize this?
Aisha, it's in your mind. Your mind is the most powerful organ of your body. And it's easier said than done a lot of times, where you're like mind over matter and all of that. But, just waking up and the first thing you say is Alhamdulillah. That's it.
Gratitude.
That's it.
That's it.
Gratitude after gratitude after gratitude. I say my namaz. I'm a very spiritual person. I have my moments. I sit alone. After I'm done with the entire day, 3 kids, school, food, schedules, their studies, their reading, Urdu reading is alag, English reading is alag, extracurricular. But I grew up with women around in my family who were very solid like that.
And very organized.
Very organized, exceptional, high standards. बीवी भी अच्छी है, माँ भी अच्छी है, professional भी अच्छी है, पड़ोसी भी अच्छी है.
But was it affecting their health to be this organized and to be there for everybody?
Not
Or no?
really.
They also managed.
I mean, I'm sure they had their moments, but the kids didn't know. But one would always see them smiling. One would always see them, taking things head on. So when you have examples like that,
And you're unapologetic.
yes.
I mean, I'm sure कि अंदर से हम सबके fears होते हैं और हम सबके stresses होते हैं. But there's certain things जहाँ पे I've seen you not get affected by criticism and external opinions. और ये एक बहुत ही inspirational quality होती है. Other people, when they look at that, they're like, wow, she's so brave.
Aisha.
So, but we have to go on a
Yes.
break.
Okay.
And I want to speak about this.
Okay.
और वो मुझे पता है कि ये